We're gonna be comparing a float with double. What is the difference between both of them? Okay, so float is less precise than double. So because float is 4 bytes, but double is 8 bytes, so double has much more precision. So right now, if we try to run it, we will find out that there's we have so many decimals here, and we only round to like I think up to 7, I believe so. So we're gonna be running this project and see how it goes. And for the precision of the float is gonna be 7 decimal digits, while the double is gonna be up to 15, 16 decimal digit. So let's run it and see how it goes. Okay, so for the float one, we have reached only this part. We ignored completely the part that after it. But if you have noticed that we have precision up to what is this one called? 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 7. When you will find out that this kind of rounded up this here at this point, and those are, let's see, 16 characters. So we have rounded up until 16 decimal character. This is like the main differences between float and double.